registering a group activity. A new activity is basically a group activity. So we are going to call this technical training. Group activity names should be generic. Do not include details like language, the target group, locations. Generic group activity names reduce the number of duplicate names in the group activity list and can be used multiple times. An example of a generic group activity is something like technical training. Instead of using something like technical training for administrative staff, technical training for coordinators, technical training for programmers, it's just basic technical training. So this way it can be used for everything and make it easier when you're trying to do your reporting. From here, you can just click on Register, and you'll see that you have already registered the name. You can now work with this group activity or register another group activity. Now we're going to go to Find a Client or Activity. Click on Group Activity, and we're going to just leave it blank and hit Search. You'll see I have a list of all the group activities. If I click Group Activity Name at the top, I can actually sort things A to Z or Z to A. I've done it so that it searches Z to A, and you see the technical training is there. If I had clicked it again, it would search from A to Z instead of Z to A. Now if you wish to know how to delete one, maybe you put one in by accident, click on Profile, uncheck the active box, save it. Once the active box is unchecked and you have saved it, you will not be able to find this. Even if you added workshops with this name, the only way you're going to see the workshops with this name are under Reports. You will not be able to find that name just by searching. And now when we go back to Find a Client or Activity, choose Group Activity under Client Type, click on Search, and you'll see it's not here anymore. It's gone. So that was how easy it is to add group activity names and to remove a group activity name if you've entered it in error.